So what I'm going to show you today is how to make a hot Milo with your espresso machine. Okay, so what I have in the picture is I have the 3 teaspoons of Milo and I have a little bit of warm water just to dissolve it a little bit, and then I've also got about half a cup of milk. And then it's just a matter of steaming as you would just a normal bit of milk if you're making a, say, an espresso or a latte or something similar as such. And there you go, hot Milo made with your espresso machine.